Stop scrolling. In the next 10 minutes, I'll help you discover which religion matches your beliefs. Over 5 million people have used this simple decision tree to understand world religions. Let's start with one question. Do you believe in something greater than yourself? Your answer will reveal everything. If your answer is no, you don't believe in anything spiritual or supernatural, you might be an atheist. Atheists rely on science, reason, and evidence to understand the world. No gods, no afterlife, just this one life to make the most of. But if you do sense something greater exists, let's dig deeper. Do you believe spirituality requires discipline and letting go of desires? Buddhism says yes. Buddhists follow 4 simple truths. Life has suffering. Suffering comes from wanting things. We can end suffering by letting go, and there's a specific path called the Eightfold Path. The ultimate goal? Nirvana, complete liberation from suffering. Maybe you're spiritual but don't want organized religion. Many people today choose this path, focusing on personal growth, meditation, and finding meaning without following traditional religious rules. You create your own spiritual journey. Do you believe in multiple gods? Paganism embraces many deities, gods of the sun, moon, earth, seasons, and nature. Each god has their own personality and controls different aspects of life. It's one of humanity's oldest spiritual traditions. Hinduism also honors many gods, but here's the fascinating twist. All these deities are actually different faces of one ultimate reality called Brahman. Hindus believe your actions in this life determine your next rebirth through karma and reincarnation. Sikhism takes a different approach, one formless God, while emphasizing equality, service to others, and devotion. Sikhs believe all humans are equal regardless of background. What about one God who created everything but doesn't intervene in daily life? That's deism. God is the cosmic clockmaker who wound up the universe and stepped back. The 3 Abrahamic faiths, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, all worship the same God of Abraham, but differ on key points. Jews believe they are God's chosen people and that the Messiah hasn't come yet. Christians believe Jesus was that Messiah and God incarnate who died for humanity's sins and offers salvation through faith. Muslims honor Jesus as a prophet, but believe Muhammad was God's final messenger and the Quran is the ultimate revelation from God. Notice how each path offers different answers to the same big questions. Why are we here? What happens after death? How should we live? Despite their differences, most religions share common values: treating others with kindness, finding purpose beyond yourself. The beautiful thing is that your spiritual journey is personal. What matters is finding what brings you peace, purpose, and helps you become your best self. Which path resonates with you? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button if this helped you understand world religions better. And share this with someone who's searching for their spiritual path. Want to dive deeper into any specific religion? Check out my detailed videos in the description. Remember, the search for meaning and truth is what makes us human. Keep exploring. This is Vijai Factoid, your daily source for fascinating facts and life-changing knowledge. Subscribe now for more mind-blowing facts that will change how you see the world. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep growing.